Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dons. Now the Dons just got listed on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. Right now they're up 43.25%, doing very well right off the bat. We're going to go over the information on the Dons token here in just 1 second and how you can get it. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Dons, 2 words, is the name of the token, and just Dons is the ticker symbol. And obviously this is referring to like Mafia Dons. You know, it's got like a picture of the Godfather on here. On their webpage, they have other pictures of like Scarface and, you know, people from Sopranos and the Goodfellas movie, Casino, all that type of stuff is on there as well. So yeah, I love those movies, by the way. Can't get enough of them. I just watched one recently. I can't remember. It was a newer one. Oh, the one about Tony Soprano's son, or it's something of Newark. Yeah, Tony Soprano's actual, Tony Soprano's actual son played Tony Soprano in the movie. That's how it went. I'm pretty sure. Don't quote me on that. Anyways, that was a good movie. The Dons.vip is their official webpage. Their BSC scan is available on CoinMarketCap. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. They also have a Twitter at the Dons Coin. They have a Telegram at the Dons Coin, pretty easy to find. And right now their market cap is $1.8 million, fully diluted market cap $2.4 million, and 24-hour trading volume is around $1 million. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and then trade your BSC for the Dons token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their BSC scan or their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And just be aware you may have to set slippage if there's taxes and whatnot, but we'll go over that here in a second in the tokenomics. So it says the crypto space started seeing rapid adoption and gaining more and more attention recently, with crypto traders becoming millionaires in the blink of an eye through meme coins. After this explosion of growth, a winter started where a few were prepared for. NFT projects were falling left and right, and the top 100 coins were bleeding out as many were seeing 80 to 95% pullbacks from their all-time high, thus marking what was known as the bear market. At this time, the Dons Mafia was making good money on the way down, shorting some meme coins left and right and having a blast, waiting until the day of $12,000 Bitcoin for their time to step back into the game. As the whole world patiently waited for the dip, a different cartel started showing their strength in the field and decided enough was enough. Liquidity started getting sent into many coins, bringing the whole crypto market back into action and leaving the Dons army behind. Now we arrive in the year 2023. The Mafia has not changed their stance one bit and holds on to the dream of $12,000 Bitcoin. Meme coins are back on the rise, with tokens like Pepe taking the forefront in the new race. So now is the perfect time for the new Mafia to come back and rise to the top. Many people might have heard the Dons but we are the new mafia, and we are here to make BNB great. Our family might be small right now, but we are a real family, and we will grow like no other family has done before, taking what belongs to the mafia and bringing it into the community. In the end, we will prove that even a small idea can lead to great success, and with family, hard work, knowledge, and dedication, we will show the crypto space how strong the Don's army can be. Right now, they are up 50%, so they're doing well. There is a post here. It says Don's is now being tracked by Presale World, and there's a link to that actually on CoinMarketCap in the community section that you could check out. So they have their BSC scan on here. Right now they have 1,690 holders. So they're doing very well. 3,895 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Now on their webpage, they do have a link to buy the Dons. It'll take you right over to Pancakeswap. They have a link to their Twitter, Telegram, CoinMarketCap, Tokenomics, Roadmap, the story I just mentioned, and features. So, whenever there is opportunity, the Dons will be there. Welcome to the Dons, the ultimate meme token for the crypto community. Dons is a fun and exciting way to participate in the world of crypto while showing off your love for memes. With Dons, you can enjoy all the benefit of decentralized currency while sharing laughs and good vibes with other investors. So some of the features here, it's decentralized. So it's meme inspired. And they have a DAO, so they're going to be building a DAO where the community will have voting rights in which direction they want the project to go in. Now, at Dons, we are committed to delivering the best possible experiences for our investors. Here are some of the key milestones we have planned for the future in our roadmap. Now, phase 1 of the roadmap is going to be website complete, community created, pre-sale on Pink Sale. So this token did have a pre-sale. And then a list on a decentralized exchange. Then second phase, post-launch marketing, airdrop to BNB NFT active holders, so they have NFTs. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, so that's kind of where we're at right now. Achieve 1,000 holders, they did that. And coming up next, they're going to have 10,000 holders, and they're going to introduce their DAO. So how the tokens are split up, it says Pink Sale got 50%. Liquidity 30%, team 10%, central exchange listings 5%, marketing and airdrops 5%. So if you go over to Pink Sale and you just go in the Launchpad list here and then you search Dons, this will pop up and then you can see if they have an audit or a KYC. There it is right there. The Dons pool has ended. On here it doesn't say anything about a KYC or anything like that. It does have information here. It says buy tax is 2% and you get reflections, which is great. 2% reflections. So you'll have to set slippage somewhere around 2%. Sell tax is 5%. So if you're going to sell the token, you have to set slippage somewhere around 5%. 2% is reflections, 2% marketing, 1% team. That's weird that they didn't have that on their webpage. Now, they had a public pre-sale. 517 people invested in it, so that's a decent amount of investors. They sold 150 BNB worth of tokens, which was their hard cap, so they did very well. Now, they don't have an audit on here. I don't even see a quick audit or anything like that, so unfortunately, no audit. So definitely take this token with a grain of salt. You don't want to get rugged. Thoroughly do your own research before thinking about getting this token. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.